Thank you for joining us for the launch of the inaugural editions of Rotorcraft Asia and Unmanned Systems Asia.
We've met with high-quality visitors and met many more new contacts that we didn't have before, so I think a very valuable experience today.
A great show, great organization, a lot of people, fantastic atmosphere, always a chance to present what you are working on. That's a great experience, and we most likely will come back.
This is a very purposeful event in which you are able to get directly right down to your customer base, and from there your customers are able to better understand the services or the products that you are providing.
It's basically quality that you get here. We would absolutely recommend everyone to be here.